Articka Smudge Guard. The Articka Smudge Guard is a very nice quality filling fabric glove that keeps your hand gliding smoothly over the iPad surface as you draw. I found it also increases the accuracy of palm rejection that keeps your iPad screen pretty clean. If you find yourself drawing for long periods of time, or you don't really feel like wiping your screen over and over with the cloth, specifically if you're drawing on the glass surface, this is a dream come true. I would recommend this especially if you use the Apple Pencil and a screen protector. It's like the ultimate combination. One thing that I found in trying to get that paper feel, it adds a little bit more added resistance and it limits your hand from moving all over the place, which gives really nice results in my drawings. You wouldn't think a glove would add so much, but it keeps your hands from transferring oils to the surface of the iPad and the Apple Pencil from skipping. When you transfer oils to the surface of the bare glass, you can draw on the surface and the glass, but once it hits that oil mark, it kind of speeds up and it slows down again. And since the tip is really rubbery, even though it's matte, it's very unpleasant. So if you don't want a screen protector, definitely get one of these. To hear about even more accessories, click right here.